Hey, what's up guys? Pravat here from Explore Gadgets and I hope you're all doing well. I'm back here with another episode of 10 iOS apps that I think you should try. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with Stackables. Stackables is a photo editing app. The first thing you'll notice is its unique user interface. Editing a picture is very simple. You get to choose your file extension and ratio. I really like the choice of file extension as I need PNG files a lot. And the 1:1 ratio also makes it super easy for Instagram. Once that's done, here you have all the editing tools. So you get wide variety of filters and masks. You can also add multiple layers of filters and masks so that you can get the perfect look for your pictures. Additionally, you can also adjust these effects from here. At the top, you have a variety of other effects and adjustments. I use the Color Adjust tool a lot before applying any other effects. You can always change the layers, edit, and see the original picture. And all these filters are custom effects from a renowned photographer, Dirk Westenhagen. Another handy feature is you can save your edits as a preset so that you can apply the same effect to other pictures as well. So a great photo editing app, and I'm really liking its unique UI. Next up is Filmmaker Pro, an awesome app to edit videos on iOS. You get all the professional tools and options to edit your videos right on your smartphone. Now let's create a new project. Once we start a new project, we can combine multiple photos and videos and then get started with the editing. Like with all the professional editing softwares, you can add music, recordings, titles, or even adjust the frame rates, aspect ratio, background color, and many more. You can tap on each frame for additional options like for video, you have trim, mute audio, playback speed, add filters, adjustments, and even rotate the video. Similarly, for photos, we have the preview times, filters, adjustments, and photo motion. You can tap between two frames to add a transition. I really like the wide variety of fonts for titles and also the animations. And like I said, it's a great app to edit videos right on your smartphone as you have all the necessary features. Next up is WordDream. This is a great app to turn your words into designer text. Here you have different options like timeline for default presets, default background images, options to import your pictures, and more. After choosing a background, you can crop or skip, and then you have a wide variety of templates to choose from. You can long press to edit the text. And here you can also browse through some codes. Once that's done, you can choose the font color, effects, filters, and many more. A lot of other templates and features can be unlocked if you purchase the full version of this application. So a great app to express your thoughts with style. Next up is Vapour. This is a content blocker for Safari that blocks unwanted contents like ads, social widgets, comments, etc. Blocking ads not only provides a smooth browsing but also saves a lot of data. After installation, head on to Settings, Safari, and on Content Blocker, turn on Vapour. Now on Safari, under Sharing Tool, you have these options. So choose the contents you want to block and hit Done. Now you are good to go. You also have an option called Poor Connection, which will not load the images or videos. That will help you to browse faster on poor connections. So a very handy tool to browse faster and save a lot of data, with the ability to block unnecessary ads. Next up is Pipes. Pipes is a great app for your news. I choose this app over the stock news app because of the simple and the stylish UI. By the way, the transitions while swiping through the news is eye-soothing. Here we have all the feeds. I can save any article for offline reading, or I can tap here, select the topic and play it as an audio. Very handy if you want to read any article, maybe at bedtime or if your eyes are tired. At the bottom, we have options like Pipes for the top stories, search for different topics, and see what's trending and most popular. While reading any article, you can also choose between the highlights and the full story. At the top, we have options to save, share, choose the font size, and switch to the night mode. Also, this app has widget support, which is quite handy. So a great news app. Next up is 10,000 Wallpapers. This is a great app for awesome and high quality wallpapers. We have various categories for wallpapers and all the wallpapers are properly organized. We do have live wallpapers as well. When you choose a wallpaper, you get these options to save it or set it as a wallpaper. And lower below, you have recommendations, which is quite a handy feature of this app. So an awesome wallpaper app. Next up is Google Stories. This app brings the all-new way of experiencing 360-degree videos. The video interacts with your movement and acts accordingly. For example, on buggy night, only when you look at the bugs, they are alerted and they start running. Similarly, actions take place only when you look at things, which makes it more natural. For now, only few stories are available, but we are sure more is coming soon. And it's surely going to change the way we experience 360 videos. Next on our list is Guides, a great app from Lonely Planet for exploring cities. Here, by default, you have got a list of famous cities. Search for other cities from here, and you can also download the city guide. Once the guide is downloaded, you can use the guide even if you're offline. From the guide, you can explore where to eat, sleep, shop, and so on. You can tap on the map to navigate and slide below to see other interests. Furthermore, you can also see the overview, budget, and saved locations. On budget, we can convert currencies, which is a great add-on. So a great app for travelers. Talking about traveling, now let's move on to the next app. It's Flightview. If you travel frequently and take a lot of flights, this is a must-have app for you. With this app, you can see flight stats, plan your trips, and even see airport stats. You can track any flights by its details. Let me give you a quick example. You also have option to see various airport stats like flight delays, weather, etc. An additional feature with this app is you have options to book hotels, which is really handy. So an essential app for travelers. Last but not the least is the Adobe Voice. Adobe Voice is a great app to create voice memos. Here you have all your projects. You can add a new project and also explore projects online. While creating a new project, you can select the project type and then record voices accordingly. Then you have clips according to your story type and even the background music as well. You can also change themes, add text to your presentation, change the background music, and add more clips. While working on any project, you can preview your clip from here.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Ayush and you're watching Explore Gadgets.
Once you are done with your story, you can share it or save it. So guys, I believe this app is very useful to send messages, presentations on special occasions. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found some useful applications here. Stay tuned for more and I will catch you guys in the next one.